Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Home Science Association of India, Tura Chapter, rengkat ka jingit lang bat ka College of Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Sciences, Central Agricultural University, Imphal, Umyam Ribhoi District, haga khat khandai terik ukala lengkot arjar arpusau kala penkut no ya ka jingya kenduk lang kabala tip kum ka 35th Biennial Conference kabala sedang naduk ka khat nyu terik ukala lengkot arjar arpusau. Kapang Pdiang kalong halor kamat kabaong, multidisciplinary approach in home and community science for sustainable development. Ka MP jong ka Lok Sabha ka S Phangnon Kongnyak kalawan ye shimenta kum ka Kongsan, rengkat ka jingdon lang jong DDG barim ka ICAR u Professor P. Das, u Vice Chancellor jong ka School ba Nehu Shillong u Professor Prabha Shukla, u Director jong ka ICER Northeastern Hill Region Umyam, u Dr. V.K. Mishra, bat kiwei ki riu Shempang haga kam rep ka kamriang. Kum ka jing penslur ya ki riu Shempang ki balawan bani shimenta haga ni ka jingyalang, la samru ya ki khusnam shaki professor bat shaki samla puli haga ba ya ka nam Best Young Scientist Award. La yok Pdiang da ka samla Fenny, Leferty, Kharpuri, bat ya ka khusnam Senior Scientist Award. La yok Pdiang da ka Rekha Vyas. Lasam ya ki khusnam shaki weiru kinongi shimenta.
I feel humble and honored to be a part of this conference because these people who have gathered here are the silent people who are going to take India towards Amrit Kal. When India achieves our Viksit Bharat Amrit Kal in 2047, the India that we are living now is very different, and when it achieves that, your contributions will matter a lot. And I really feel very encouraged seeing the faculty members, the professors, seeing the seniors, the present molders of and shapers of our future, and the students, the bright young minds. And what you're doing now is really going to make a difference, because this world of technology that we live in, AI, artificial intelligence, is going to be a huge factor. And when artificial intelligence comes to the forefront, subjects, sciences like home science will be the humanizing factor which connects humanity and technology. So this science is something which is very important. Maybe it has not received its due recognition, but this is something which will grow and have a huge impact in the future. Because as India works towards Amrit Kal, and as mentioned by our eminent speakers earlier, guest of honor, the 5 trillion economy that we are aiming for that, India needs to work a lot, and our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision, different schemes of the government has been aiming at this. We have Poshan Abhiyan, we have different schemes which looks into health, which looks into, for example, especially for women. I accepted this invitation to be a part because they told me specifically that women scientists are coming. And I thought this is such a great opportunity because women make up for more than 50% of this country's population. And for women, it is very exciting for us to be living in this time, because under Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji, women are now getting the place in society, and we're getting that space in nation building that we never got before. This is a very enabling and empowering environment for women that Honorable Prime Minister has created. For example, small schemes like, we think that it is simple, it is not small. We think it's a simple scheme, but Ujjwala Yojana has had a huge impact on the health of women, because they don't have to now go and fetch firewood and the smoke, because you're getting free gas connection. Also, we have a Prime Minister who speaks about menstrual hygiene from the ramparts of the Red Fort. So, for women scientists, now is the time for us to really show our contribution and really work hard, because Startup India, Make in India, Made in India, PM Swanidhi scheme, Mudra scheme, there's so many things It is a world of opportunities that we are presented with. And what we make use of it depends on us. As we look to the future, we can see very clearly that the breadth of opportunities that India presents now is unprecedented in terms of its size and scale. We have a young and dynamic workforce, and India is among the youngest nations in the world because the median age is 28.5. And we're really going to be the main economy in the world in the Amrit Kal that we will, in 2047, when we come about, we will be one of the world leaders.